Yo. So, Bravo B and Trixie are the first housemates in history of Big Brother to hit 6 million viewers in Twitter within one day. This is insane. This is insane. I once told people ukuthi let them make history. Even if you don't like them, but just let them make history. They are there to make history, and they are making history. Let them make history. This is the history. Makhulunywa history. 6 million phela ngeke uzoqoshe phansi. 6 million within hayibo within one day. Ay.